Hi everyone. Oh my gosh. I'm back with another video and another haul. It's not very big, but I thought you guys should go and check it out. So I went to Hobby Lobby. Um, I wanted their Christmas ephemera. I saw somebody haul it, and my Hobby Lobby didn't have it out yet. I mean, they're starting to put out um, Christmas, ornaments and things like that, but the craft area is not full yet. So, and I wanted this certain vintage Christmas paper, but anyway, I didn't get that. But Christmas is 50% off. Can you believe it? Thanksgiving is only 40. Okay. So I went to Hobby Lobby and I went to Five Below because I need to stop watching haul videos. I saw somebody haul these sticker books at Five Below, and yeah, I had to go. So let me share what I got at Hobby Lobby. Not much. It's nothing too interesting. I did find these bear stickers, and they're just adorable. I had to have them. Um, So I think that was it for Christmas. And then I found this keychain, um, beaded keychain, for 99 cents. So I got 4 packs of it, and you get 20 of them. So that's a lot. You can use this as dangles. You could use, so many things you can use this with for. Okay, so one crafter I saw, she had hauled this bead. It's a drawer, 16 drawer, um, and I had to go and get it. I have tons of little things on my desk that it would be nice to have it contained. I'm always looking for storage solutions. I don't know if this is going to solve my, but I just had to have it, and for $5.49. I know I could get this cheaper off of Amazon, but yeah. So I bought two. I bought two of them. Um, yeah, I love storage. I think we all love storage, and 16 drawers, not bad. I didn't think it was bad for the price. I mean, sometimes they're, $7, $8 just for 4 drawers. So for five something, not bad. Okay. So that was my Hobby Lobby haul. Not much. Okay. Now, these sticker books are $5. And yes, it's kind of pricey. But you get, 250 plus. And this one is Coquette stickers. Now, I'm not one for cutesy, but this really caught my eye, I have to say. And so cute. You have shells with pearls in it. It's really girly. I love this teddy bear. Hey, look at the little kitty, just a little delulu. You got macarons, you have, cowboy boots, some bows, butterflies. Oh, it's great. Oh my gosh, it is so girly, and I love it. It is, oh gosh, I don't know, I just love it. It is so cool. And I think that's, yeah, you get a whole bunch of stickers. Oh my God, look at these teddy bears. Ooh, look at that swan. Isn't that pretty? Ooh, look at the sweets. Ooh, oh my God, look at the popcorn. Oh, look at the flowers. So pretty. Am I in frame? Good grief. I'm never in frame. Oh, look at the, oh, look at the chair. Look at the top. Oh, look at that typewriter. All right. I should have gotten 2 of these. But how cute are these? So girly. Oh my gosh. Oh, cute. I had to get them. Okay. So that's that sticker book. Then I saw that they have these sticker books, the Junk Journal sticker book, and then this is volume 2. So of course I had to get both of them. So in the back, there's like papers, and they're not bad quality. I mean, it's not thick, but it's not super thin either. So very interesting pattern paper. Yeah, it's really cool. I like it. And then here are the stickers. You have alphabets, tons of alphabets because, you know, journaling, junk journals. Oh, cute. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I love that. A lot of flowers, frames. All of this is all stickers, right? Yeah, they're all individual stickers. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at this washi, or it's like a washi sample. Isn't that adorable? Oh, look, I love the bows and the corners and the pin, the, what do you call those? The pins, you know? Oh my gosh, these are really cute. Oh, I love it. Isn't that adorable? Oh my gosh. Okay, so that was the first junk journal book. And then here's junk journal 2. And let me show you the page. It's easier to do it this way. Oh. So here's the papers. As my keep going in and out. I'm sorry. Ah, it keeps going in and out. Okay, let me get into focus now. Ah, I don't like this camera. Okay. This is polka dots, if you can't tell. Let me see if I can zoom in. Can I zoom in? Let's see if I can focus. These are polka dots. Stripes. I don't know why. I could never get this. Okay. That one. Let me see if I can zoom down a little bit. Will that help? Oh, this is grass. Oh, I love this. And then we got some alphabets. Oh, I love this. This is cool too. Keys. Yep. Oh, look at all these. Very cool. More bows and more pins. You know, like if you're posting a sticky note or something. Oh my gosh. These are adorable. Oh, I love this. I love the moped. Very, very cute. Oh, look at that. Oh, this is nice. I like that. Great idea. And some frames and some borders. Real cute. Oh, these are nice. These are like metallic corners. Very cute. And this one created by, that's neat. Oh my gosh. Okay. So that is my little bitty haul for this week. I hope you guys have a great week, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye, everyone.